Hi, welcome to Pocket Estimator. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to calculate floor tiles. So to start with, you want to launch the Pocket Estimator app, go into Material Calculator, Internal Finishes, and Floor Tiles. Here you'll need to insert your room data. So we're going to say it's 4.5 meters long by 5.2 meters wide. You can then select the type of joint you'd like, straight joints, alternating joints, or opaque. So we're going to stick with straight. The box coverage, so the example to the right, you can see the box coverage is 0.99 meters squared. The length of each tile is 360 mil and the width of each tile is 275 mil. If you have the box cost, you can insert that too. So in this example, it's £11.88. Press done, and then at the bottom you will see the tile surface, so that's 24.6 meters, and that includes tile joints, number of boxes 25, number of tiles 249, and total cost £297.